Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to test a microphone. Okay, so now here you can see that I am clicking on okay, the speaker icon. You can see. Okay, so now here you need to select on open a volume mixture. Okay, so now after clicking on that, here you can see the system sounds. Here you need to double click on that. Now here if you click on recordings, and then here you can see the microphone. Okay, so from this option you can configure the entire microphone option, like how you want to set up the microphone, or just you can test or adjust the microphone volume and lots of things. So now here you can see if you click on properties, now here you can see there is an option which is listen, right? So and advanced, and lots of options to configure your microphone. Now here if you click on listen to this device, and if you click on apply, now here you will be able to listen yourself while you are talking. Okay guys, so and here you can see the microphone volume option. You can just adjust the volume according to your needs, and you can listen and you can adjust the volume of your microphone. Okay guys, so this is how you can set up the microphone for your desktop guys. So if I click on OK, I will be able to listen myself in the microphone, and also I can adjust the volume according to my needs. Okay, so after you have done the test, you guys need to unmark the listen to this device and click on OK. Okay, right, yes. So this is how you can check out your test the microphone if it's working or not. So I hope you guys understand this video. If you guys have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5-minute solution.